Well, we're going to go for something a little bit different in this one and actually try to get something done. So what we're working on tonight on this thing, I kind of want to get this jacked up, see where it's going to twist, where I need to brace the most, level everything out as best I can. Remember, I've got about 1/4 of an inch crown in this one side here that we have to deal with, but I'm pretty sure it won't be too much of an issue. And we're going to have, we're going to be showing quite a bit here. So true to your guys' suggestions, now that I've laid out where all these leveling jacks are going to go, we are going to add the 2 more jacks behind the wheels of the trailer. So, I'm not a trailer building expert. Any of you guys who have done it, you can see I'm not. I've just been doing a little bit of research, you know, axle placement, things like that, kind of look around, paying attention to where more of the heavier trailer axles are. And I look at vehicles like I've got an F-250, an old F-250 diesel that we're going to tow this with. So I've been kind of paying attention as I go. So one of the simplest formulas that I have found, you take the bed of the trailer, start at either end. You find your center mark on the actual bed of the trailer, not the tongue. And then say you have a 20-foot long trailer, you measure to 10 feet, you center your axles 10 inches back from that center line to give yourself more tongue weight. So we're going to go with that. And I tell you what, to be honest with you, if it doesn't work, we have a grinder and we have welders, we can always move them. But that's, I guess that's the hill I'm going to die on. So stay tuned, hope you enjoy it, and I'll catch you on the other side of it. Well, I can tell you that fan is loud as hell until she warms up. right the hell out of our way. I'm going to trip on that. You guys are going to laugh. I'm going to cry. Come on. There we go. Let's see what happens. Don't even have to go that far. All right, one more. Oh, nice. Well, here's something that we definitely need to address. English, you know, it's my 15th language. Way too much slop right there. This I could deal with, but this right here, no way. So I think what we might do, make some spacer blocks so that when these are on, they're tight to there. Maybe do them on all four sides or on 4 points. And see if we can't just get that so it's nice and snug, because that's going to be a little bit, I mean, the jacks themselves, no complaints there. They actually, they raise this up with ease. And this isn't a very light frame. Obviously we have a lot more metal to add to it, but it's really not too bad. It's just this part right here. And one of our viewers who built a much nicer trailer than this on his channel, Jeff Hogue, he did something to address this because he used the same type of jacks. I'm going to have to get in touch with Jeff and see what he did. But I don't know. Keep going. Well, this thing leveled out fairly well. We were able to get the twisting out of it with the leveling jacks, but as I just showed you, the receivers on those leveling jacks, or the studs that they mount on, they're just way too much slop. But like I said, I've got a plan to address that. So moving forward, I wanted to get this up in the air a little bit. I wanted to get everything leveled out so I can start putting bracing in. I want it as close to where it needs to be before I put the braces in. Now obviously this one side is a little wonky. It's really not bad, but it's bad enough to where I better do something about it, because otherwise every board, it's going to follow that track, because the sawmill heads, it's going to follow the rails. Now we can do it a couple ways. I can adjust the sawmill on the trailer itself, and really when you're leveling something like this, you should do it on your sawmill bunks, not the trailer itself. So we could do something that way. There's a lot of different things I could do. And you know, it may be a smart idea, rather than weld the tracks onto the mill, maybe drill them out and bolt them down and then do some leveling that way. I don't know. We'll see. Time will tell. I know I have to get this done within the next couple of weeks. The clock is ticking. I only have so much nice weather in time before haying season kicks off that I can go and do this. So anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll catch you on the next one.